Okay, here is my first printer that I purchased more than a year ago. I've done some modifications. You can see the white printed bits of plastic that I've added to it, but the display is the same. It's just moved forward and at a slope. So let me demonstrate how the software is supposed to function. So if I push the icon here, you can see that it then goes to a next menu, and then I go to the next menu. There's a back key. You push here, okay, the unit goes through all the levels of the software. So, the units that I purchased from AliExpress are definitely different than these units, even though based on my email you can see that the numbers on the back are identical other than a date code. Thank you very much. Bye.